Simran Kaur's Beach Day Fashion. Simran Kaur is an Indian model and influencer known for promoting self-love and body positivity. Simran Kaur is an Indian model and influencer known for promoting self-love and body positivity. She has a huge following of over 2 million people on social media and is widely recognized in the fashion and modeling industry. In her latest Instagram post, Simran Kaur shared a picture of herself at the beach. She wore a beautiful blue bikini paired with a denim shirt, looking confident and relaxed. The caption reads, Simran K. with Madonna's La Isla Bonita extended remix playing in the background, adding a fun vibe to the picture. Simran Kaur has become famous for her looks and also for her modern trends. She believes that fashion is about more than just clothes. It is about the attitude you wear. Through her post, she encourages others to embrace their individuality and love themselves. Her every picture in Instagram will make her fans just go gaga with her fashion. Thank you for watching Showbiz International News. Please subscribe Showbiz International News for updating news and more informations.